Hello everyone, welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. We are doing STL Patreon for September 2023 Part 3. We are looking at D&D STL prints, Warhammer proxy prints, war tabletop prints, anime figures, and so forth as well. If you do enjoy it, please like and subscribe. And also leave down the comments too, like which other patrons you like, which other models you like, which you want me to check out as well for a future video. So we are starting Mammoth Factory. Mammoth Factory does Dungeons and Dragons, mostly that I've seen so far that I have with them. So we're doing Disciplines of Darkness. So it looks like we have fiends. And I think she's a witch. A witch queen. So we have a witch, fiend. Looks like a different version of a bone dragon. Bone demon. I would say. Why I don't like these little small little arrows that they do. Devoted champion. Might be more of a cultist vibe to it, and you can summon a demon as well. So if you need cultist, this might be it for it. Blood Wraith. That'll be pretty cool. I needed that a while ago, but now we have it for it. So we have a lot of cultists in here as well. I believe you can change all these cultists for the chaos proxy as well, because these looks a lot better print than the chaos cultists that they have right now. But yeah, Shadow Gorger, pretty cool looking demons as well. We'll see how long they will have it last. Armies of them. You get the Blood Altar terrain. Bust. And there you go. Next should be Man Love figures. So there's a lot of female figures, anime and video games, so forth. This is a nude version. That's the full nude version. So I'm trying to find the unnude version, but it doesn't matter, I guess. So we got from a lot of video games and Disney's and a whole bunch of stuff. Females, you can get them nudes as well from NSFWs and so forth. Lulu, Nurse, Nurse Jenny. Listen, Nurse Jenny or Nurse Joy. One of those. Prince of Persia. We have some male ones in here as well. I think this is what Neptune, Yumi, Silver. But yeah, a whole bunch. Check them. Check out Man I Love Figures if you enjoy those as well. Early in the morning, like, oh, let me see what they have. This one we're gonna have to watch a video, I believe. Not really. We can actually look at individual on this one. Nope, we're gonna have to look at it. So we'll see video. Loot that. That. Let's see what they have for it. Rat lady. Yeah, so a rat, were rat, I guess. For it, the splinter, scorched tail. This would be good for Age of Sigmar stuff if you're looking for rats. Never really use a lot of rat folks in my games, or rat cultist and stuff like that. There's just too many of them, and they're usually in the sewers a lot of times for it as well. And yeah, so these would be pretty cool to have if you guys want to do some kind of a campaign dealing with rats. And you have dragons, looks like it, eating. Will eat the rat and so forth as well. There's your rat female assassin set. That's your rat folk, were rat. There's rat folk and there's a were rat, depending on which book you're using, Pathfinder and also D&D. So there are different types of rat folk and were rats, and there's both in a particular setting. So it's interesting. In Pathfinder, you play as a were rat. A rat folk. So it is one of those things you may want to check out if you want to put them in your game. But yeah, there's your bust, and that'll be it for that. So yeah, White Werewolf Tavern, very good prints, letting you know. Rat or miniatures. We have another old school goblins. on War, it's the Mystic Goblin Part 1. I like them. The problem is there's too many parts that you have to glue in. So that's the only problem I have with them, but they're good prints though. See, too many of them. I don't like to print little bits and bits pieces because sometimes it doesn't print well if it's like small pieces. So I'm using a resin printer and so forth. So I'm gonna have to take a look how I'm gonna do it. Hey, Crippled God Foundry, other D&D. Sometimes they do Age of Sigmar as well. Let's see here. September 1. We're gonna do this one. So it looks like we have angels, scattered heavens. Well, it looks like we're getting a lot of terrains this time. So we have angels from the high heavens. I like these guys a lot. Armored angels. That's a pretty cool looking. Hopefully, I feel like this is not what you're going to get. You gotta have to literally write it with a brush. I have no idea how to do the scribe with the little mini brush that people actually do. I know some people use pencils, but I I don't have that great of a handwriting. So yeah, these look really cool looking. Solar angel right there. I don't know what kind of angel that is. The judge. Saffrons. So yeah, this would be really cool to have. I'm getting this one. This is like $10 for the whole file and everything else. I'm gonna have to buy more resin, don't I? Don't like to buy more resin. But yeah, that'll be it for Crippled God Foundry. Really good prints. 3D emojis, Manji. So we have Reza, Grimoire pre-rendered. That's going to be pretty much. Ooh, there we go. No, I'm just going to do that. We got Reza, and I believe we are getting one more as well. We're getting this one too for the figure to print, and her from the hentai. Thanks. So everyone that knows what I'm talking about, you can get your printer now, nude as well if you want to. So 3D Manji, go for it. Nom Nom figures. I think for that's October winner. Can't wait for October. I do want Karlak, but I don't know what September will bring for it. um, let's see here. There we go. September models. So we have Ronnie, Ifrit. I would love to have Ifrit, Vincent. Can't tell Ashley there's going to be Vincent coming in because she wants Vincent, Geralt, and Catelyn. I don't know who it's Catelyn's from. So, and they do previous one as well for like $10. So it's a very good deal for figures. Arizona, another figure. That's going to be October. So September we have, forgot her name was, Fubuki from One Punch Man. And I believe this girl, I forgot where she's from. Seen her a bit. And we have Himoni from Chainsaw Man. Hell Creator, another figure prints. So we have, forgot these two from Mass Effect. I think the middle one's from Assassin's Creed, I believe. No, that's from Assassin's Creed. I have no idea where she's from. But the two blue aliens are from Mass Effect. I know that for a fact. Saruna, Bust of Saruma, Queen Mirror of Lilia. That's the one. Lavar from Mass Effect. A Witcher's Tale from Thronebreaker. That's where she's from. Station Forge, another proxy for Warhammer 40k. They do sometimes do Age of Sigmar, but not as much. They have a lot of stuff that comes out throughout the whole month. So this is not all of it they're going to be showing. The last one they'll be showing that'll be towards the end of the month as well. Another one that's really good, especially these would be good for. I think a proxy for good for Blood Angels, I'll say. Uh, and there's their version of a Tyranid. Now see how much they have. They only have 3 shows so far, so there's gonna be a lot more later on down. But anyhow, I hope you guys do enjoy it. Subscribe, like, and share. Check out our links down below. Thank you guys very much, and have a nice day, guys. Bye.